Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your Powershell version and whether you need elevated rights. Once done, navigate to the folder or pass the full path. Use test path to confirm the file exists and get item to inspect attributes like read-only. If the file is in use, note that now so you can stop the locking process later. Make sure to consider scope, local versus remote session. This avoids surprises when executing deletion commands. Now perform the deletion. You can run remove item c /path/file, txd force verbose to remove a single file, add recurse for directories. To preview without risk, append what if, that shows actions without changing anything. For read-only items, clear the flag first using getItem path. Is red only equals $false or use force, which often handles it. For remote targets, use invoke command or enter ps session, and run the same remove item commands in that session. Finish by verifying the file is gone. Test path returns false and getChild item no longer lists it. If removal fails due to a lock, identify the locking process using getProcess or third-party handle utilities. Stop or restart that process, then retry. When scripting, wrap remove item in try/catch to capture errors and write them to a log for later review. Make sure to include retries with delays if transient locks occur.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.